Hey guys, I'm gonna help you with your sub homework today. I couldn't find a video that I liked, so I'm making one. Um, my mouse is being stupid. All right, so first of all, let's look at number one. We want to evaluate each function. What does the word evaluate mean? The word evaluate means we want to find a number, we want to solve. Okay, so this means we have h of 6. That means n equals 6, so we're going to substitute in for every n. So that's h of 6 equals 3 times 6, or 18. Okay? So that's how you do that one. Remember that this h of n is equal to y. Okay? This is the name of the function, and this is the variable. Okay? So let's try a harder one. Let's look at number 6, g of 3. What's happening here? Right, we have an exponent. Okay, so we're going to go g of 3 equals 3 squared plus 2. What's 3 squared? That's 9. Because 3 squared is 3 times 3. So that's 9 plus 2, or 11. So g of 3 equals 11. Okay, let's try a harder one. I'm going to go over 11 and 12, and then you can try 13 on your own. So let's look at 11. We've got h of negative 3n equals 2 times, now we put in, this is a little confusing because they're using the same variable here. But we're going to, wherever we find an n, we're going to replace that with a negative 3n minus 2. And now we don't know what n equals, but what we're going to do is we're going to evaluate anyway. That's going to be 2 times negative 3 is negative 6n minus 2. And we can't go any further, so we leave it just like that. Now, if you do 13, I will give you +1 bonus point if you can do 13. Okay? A bonus point that'll go on your first quiz. Okay? This involves something we call the distributive property. And you may not remember how to do that, but I will come in on Wednesday and I will show you how to do it. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make, I'm going to solve for this guy. So we've got h of x minus 1 equals 4 times x minus 1 plus 3. Now I'm going to distribute the 4. So that is 4x minus 4 plus 3. So that becomes 4x minus 1. How did I get that minus 1? A negative 4 plus 3. I owe you $4. I pay you 3. I have a remainder of $1 still owed. I can't go any further with this, so this is my answer. Okay? So, a hint for number 13. Y minus 1 squared. What is y minus 1 squared? So let's look at that. We've got, we need y minus 1 squared. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the y minus 1 times the y minus 1. The first thing I'm going to teach you something we no longer call FOIL. I'm going to call it the distributive property. So we can do it in boxes. I know you've seen this method before, where we've got y minus 1 and y minus 1. So y times y is y squared. Y times minus 1 is minus y. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. And whoops, sorry, I made a mistake. So this should be minus y, and then this should be plus 1. I did not grow up learning the box method, so it's not natural for me. I know you guys did, so sorry for that brain fart. So now we're going to collect all our terms, and that gives me y squared minus 2y plus 1. So that's a big hint on number 13. Okay? Hope that helps. Have a great day.